Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Trusin fishing lures. This bass fishing lure can be widely used to catch bass, yellow perch, walleye, pike, muskie, roach, trout, snook, salmon, etc. This swim bait is quite suitable for both saltwater and freshwater and functions well in all water layers. With 3D realistic looking eyes and pearl powder coating, this swim bait appears very delicate and vivid that looks like a real fish. A perfect fishing bait that easily cheats the target fishes. Designed with 8-segment multi-jointed body, Trusin fishing lure can sink slowly and move flexible in water. In addition, lifelike swimming actions makes it attracting more catches and provoking predator fish to strike. Made of high-quality ABS material and equipped with built-in rattle, this vibe lure can continuously emit the fish sound wave during the swimming to provoke the feeding urge of the fishes and induce them to attack. Our second best fishing lure is Charmy bass fishing lure. This bass fishing lure can be widely used to catch bass, yellow perch, walleye, pike, muskie, roach, trout, etc. This swim bait is quite suitable for both. With 3D realistic looking eyes and pearl powder coating, this crankbait appears so delicate and vivid that it looks like a real fish. A perfect fish bait that easily cheats the target fishes. Designed with 6-segment multi-jointed body, this fishing lure kit can sink slowly and moves flexible in water. Besides, lifelike swimming actions make it attract more catches and provoking predator fish to strike. Made of high-quality ABS material and equipped with a built-in steel ball, this vib lure can continuously emit the bass sound wave during the swimming to provoke the feeding urge of the fishes and induce them to attack. The hooks are the highest quality and very sharp, which offer the best possible penetration force, and the Trident crochet hooks make it hard for fish to escape. Let's watch more. Third in our list is Placino fishing lures. Placino high-quality fishing lures gives beginner or expert anglers plenty of options to land virtually any type of fish, from bass to trout. The lifelike design minnow, popper, vib, pencil and crankbait lures are made with 3D eyes and ultra-realistic fish pattern finishes, and even the smartest fish into thinking that the bait is a real fish, which helps you to get fish easier. All lures are widely used and carefully selected, which are made of high-quality anti-corrosion stainless steel and plastic, strong and durable. The compact fishing tackle equipment is equipped with a double-layer box, which is convenient to get the exact fishing tackles you need. The bass fishing lure set measures 7.9 by 4.5 by 2.6 inches. The portable size will make the bait suit ideal for your fishing seat box or fishing backpack, easy to carry with you. Allow you to travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want. This fishing lure set is designed to be used in freshwater or saltwater, which contains all kinds of baits and accessories that can be used in a variety of fishing occasions. Great gift to any beginner or addictive anglers. Number 4 in our best fishing lure list is Gondo fishing lures. These fishing lures feature a precisely engineered shape, stereo 3D fisheye and lifelike scale patterns, making the fish look more vivid and realistic, like a living fish in the water. Due to its genuine plating, the fishing spoon shows a brilliant flash in the water, and more reflective surfaces attract fish and make them strike. A perfect fishing bait that easily cheats the target fishes. Work great for both saltwater and freshwater and function well in all water layers. All trout and bass fishing lures are widely used and carefully selected, meet the needs of different varieties of fish you catch. Perfect for ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir, pond and stream. Fishing lures set with a tackle box contains nearly all accessories including crankbaits 1 pieces, Vib 1 pieces, topwater lures 1 pieces, plastic worms 33 pieces, jigs 5 pieces, fish-shaped soft bait 2 pieces, simulation of shrimp 2 pieces. And the other 32 accessories also realistic and swim well. A wide range of fishing accessories from common fishing baits to accessories, this fishing lure set can be a complete assortment for any angler for any season in any water. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Head and Topwater Fishing Lure. The Head and Super Spook Jr. features the tough construction and good looks of the full-sized Super Spook in a smaller, but still explosive, fish-catching design. Rugged line ties and hooks ensure the Super Spook Jr. will hold up to opportunistic charges from schooling fish. Realistic finishes provide the proper look for any topwater fishing situation. 2 super sharp hooks, especially important for schooling striper and other hard-charging species. Fish don't simply hit the Super Spook. They attack it. Super stout hardware system, from line ties to hooks, all designed to stand up to the most voracious species. Features tough construction and good looks for explosive results. For details, let's watch more.
This one here hit my little Super Spook Junior. Oh, look at the size of it. Oh, don't. She's jumping. Let me get her for you right here. Come here, sweetheart. Oh, what a fish. I love it when they hit that thing. You just move it a little bit and stop it. Give them a chance to find it. And they can really bust it. There she is. Whew. Wanted some of my little Super Spook Junior right there. Nice fish and healthy. Whew. Let me get her back in the water. Boy, that was a nice one. Let me show you what I caught that fish on right here. Man, what an awesome lure. Has that side-to-side walking the dog action. Use it with a soft action rod. It'll really catch a lot of fish for you. You know, the Zara Spook family of lures is a great series to use from early spring all the way through early summer when these fish are moving to the bank. But once they move off the bank from spawning, you can call a fish up from 15 to 20 feet deep with this thing right, with a Super Spook Junior. They just have that natural walking action that calls fish from a long distance. Don't overwork it. If you don't get a strike, slow it down. Sometimes they want it just super slow. Sometimes they want it running like they're running from a bass chasing a shad. But a Super Spook Junior, you want to make sure you can fish one of these things in the springtime to early summer. A deadlock cinch winner.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!